guys, it's Angelica and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be playing Build a Boat, so let's start. Okay, so I'm going to build a block boat. So, okay. Oh, I'm going to use some of this. I think this is marble, and marble is really strong. But my little sister Isabella, she is really, really good at this game. But my cousin Julian, he is even better at this game. He is so good. But anyway, I keep on misplacing this. Okay, so 3 here. 3 on top. Bing, boom, macaroon. Okay, where's my window? Here it is. Perfect. Now I got a window. Actually, I don't know what this boat is going to look like. Okay, I need my throne, but first I need to add flooring. Now this is just gonna be a small little simple boat. Okay. Oh yeah, ignore anything in the background. Really sorry about that. Okay. Okay, just building a floor. This boat is just gonna be like super small and simple. Okay, I think that's big enough for my throne. Perfect. Now we need a steering wheel. Okay, got one. Okay, actually, the steering wheel will block my view, so no go to the steering wheel. Okay, oh, this stuff is really strong. So yeah, I'm going to use it, and I will not lose it. Okay. I don't have a lot of this stuff, so eef. So I'm just gonna use it on the sides here. Oof to me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, I think I did something wrong. It's uneven. Uh-oh. It's fine, I guess. Guess it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, this bothers me a lot, so. There, now it's perfect. Okay, first I got to like build like a little wall before I actually like start building a roof and stuff. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. And I know on this game, the boats don't have to look pretty as long as they're strong. But for me, I like everything to look perfect. Okay. Okay. Oh, dang it. Okay, where's that super strong stuff? Here it is. Okay, that looks good there. Guess we'll put this here, and this here. Perfect. Okay, I think that I got a small wall. I think I can start like building. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put this over here. Looking good, looking good. Perfect. Okay, but I'm gonna have to build higher than that. I wonder which material is the strongest material in the game. Okay. Oh yeah, I know I have a lot of money and you're probably like, Angelica, if you have so much money, then buy a crate to get stronger stuff. But I'm saving up for the $400 crate. So yeah. Yay to me. Okay. These are gonna have to go here. How's it looking? It looks great, because I built it. Okay. Perfect. Oh, oops. Eesh, it's not perfect. No, that's a problem. How did I go wrong? I need to redo this. It's fine, I guess. Okay, I guess we'll start on the roof. Okay, perfect, perfect. Ooh, what's this egg? It's past Easter, but I still want to know. Oh, it hurts ya. Okay, okay. Okay, I think my perfect ways have, ruined this boat. And I'm not calling myself perfect, it's just that I like making my boat look perfect. Okay. Okay, looking good, blah, blah, blah. What's up, chicken nut butt? Okay. This won't stay. This makes me angry. You know what? It's fine. Forget the perfect looking boat. This boat will look ugly. Yay! And who doesn't like an ugly boat, right? Okay. Okay, this boat is looking really good. Okay, not looking really good, but hopefully it stays strong. Oh yeah, I've never made it to the end by myself before. Like, never. Okay. Um, I don't know what else to do. But, like, I have more materials, so... I hear my dogs barking in the background. I wonder what they're barking at. Maybe they're barking at my cat? I don't know. Okay, that looks hideous, but hideous is good. Okay, I'm gonna build a bit of a barrier, because when you put things in front of you, like, they destroy rocks for you. So, yeah. Ooh, I had 37 of these this whole time. Really, Angelica? Really? Okay, it literally takes me 9 minutes to build a boat. Seriously. You know what? I'm just scribbling now. It looks beautiful. Okay. Okay, it looks beautiful. Like, wouldn't you want to drive this boat everywhere? I'm being sarcastic, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put the other candle in the front. And I want the treasure chest here. Perfect! It looks beautiful! No, it doesn't look beautiful. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're ready to sail. Yes. Yay, it's so beautiful. Okay, I thought this was gonna tip over, like for real, guys. No. Come on, boat. Yeah, I should have added this little crazy pieces. Look, I can see out the window. I can see nothing. Okay, yeah, these things were a bad idea. Okay, this was an awful idea. The tic-tac-toe egg is out. I think she or he means the tic-tac-toe egg. But okay. Okay, this is bad. My boat is already tipping, and I've barely made it through like the first one. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Okay. Yeah, this is a really awful, awful, awful boat. And this will not make it to the end. So, yeah. Okay. So, boat, are you gonna make it or are you gonna die it? Maybe I'll make it to the end. Like, there's only a few more, right? Just I feel like the prize is really cheap. It's like only $100. Like really, $100 for completing all that. Only 100. And every time you like stay in the water for a few minutes, you get like $36. So yeah, you could get $100 fast. And my ear hurts. Random. Okay, what's this? What's this? Candy. But little children, do not eat candy. It is bad for you. No, I love candy so much. Okay, the boat isn't doing so bad. Oh, dang it, I forgot to add a cannon to this boat. No. Okay, we've been through some pretty easy stages so far. Yeah, like these are like super easy stages, except this one. No, this eel is gonna scream. Okay, whenever you activate these things, they scream at you and grab your boat and they start to chew it. And who would want to chew my boat? Like, it's just bone and skin. No blood, it's just bone and skin. Just kidding, there's no skin or bone. What's this one? I don't think I've been on this stage before, or not that I can remember. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's so cool! It That is cool. I'm glad that didn't do any damage. Okay, yeah, another easy stage. But literally, that was so cool. Like, it painted half of it blue. That is so cool. No! No, Sharky! I've been nice to you. I'm your friend. Okay, oof to me. I have died. Dun dun. Okay, so guys, I think this little 1 round video should wrap it up for today. Bye guys.